titled The One Preschool Show on Nick Jr. with Nasal Snores. Enjoy the video.
51 and 97. Do you remember the show that represents cubes and the only show to make nasal snoring effects but barely do with their mouth?
Were you talking about cubies?
Yes, 51. That's the one I was looking for. It used to air on Nick Jr. in the UK back in 2001, but suddenly it got cancelled and taken off the air.
But it has the most famous theme song that went "We can Cuba 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 do it." But let's watch the snoring footages anyway.
Come, little talk, talk, time to sleep. I don't want your eyes to even peep. Stop all your talking, be very quiet. Time to sleep, so say good night. Oh, really? Wake up, cubies!
Talk. 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 Stop shining light in his face. You don't want to wake him up again.
No, we certainly don't. Come on, cubies, off we go. I know. There.
Ooh, a tent!
Dink's asleep inside.
I've always wanted to sleep in a tent. Can we go in?
I suppose so, but be very quiet.
Isn't it cozy? It's just like a little house. It needs a few more things to make it feel like home. Shall we stay here all night? Yes. We'll need some blankets, though. There. All ready for bedtime. I wish it was bedtime right now. Wow! I don't believe it. It's dark. Isn't this great?
Time for bed, everyone.
Good night, cubies. Good night.
Didn't it get dark early today?
Very strange. Good night.
Good night.
Hi, Dink.
Whoops, he's fast asleep.
Hi, Doody. Excuse me, Tizzy. I'm just getting to the exciting bit.
But it's not reading time. And it's not bedtime either. It's time for an adventure.
Sounds incredibly funny and wacky at the same time. Their nasal grunts literally caught us off guard the whole time when it snorks a snooze. See you in future episodes.